These 5 tips and tricks will enhance your DeepSeek experience. In this video, we're going to be going over 5 tips/features which you may or may not have known about DeepSeek. We'll be going over how to use the different features, how to create the perfect prompt for DeepSeek, use cases, and much more. Before we dive in, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel, and without further ado, let's get right into the video. Coming in at number 1 is the file upload feature. If we take a look at the prompt box, there is a staple icon to the right of it. If we click on this, we have the option to upload a variety of different documents such as PDFs, text files, Word documents, spreadsheets, and even images. DeepSeek is able to extract the text off these different images, and you can ask it questions based on the information it has extracted. One good use for this feature is being able to ask DeepSeek for advice or feedback on a document you have been working on. For example, I'm going to upload this CV and ask, please can you take a look at my CV and see what could be improved. Within seconds, DeepSeek has come back with a list of categories which could be improved. Within each category, it has provided around 3 bullet points for what specifically could be improved and has also provided examples. For example, under objective, one of the points it has made is, consider adding a sentence about what you hope to achieve in your next role, such as, I aim to further develop my expertise in cloud-based solutions and contribute to innovative projects that drive business growth. As I mentioned before, DeepSeek is also able to extract the text off images. To test this out, I'm simply going to upload this image which contains text. Now I'm going to ask, please can you extract the text off this image? As expected, in the matter of seconds, it has provided a full extract of the text from the image which I uploaded. Going back to the prompt box, the button which says search on it allows you to enable the web search feature. When this is activated, all the prompts you enter into DeepSeek, it will be able to search the web to find an answer. For example, I'm going to enable this feature and ask, what are the latest advancements in quantum computing? It has now gone and searched the web and provided a list of 10 advancements in quantum computing. If we look at each point, at the end of it is a button. One click, this will take us to the website where it got the information for that specific point from. Also, if we click the button at the top, this will reveal a sidebar on the right with a list of all the sources DeepSeek got its information from for this whole answer. The main benefit of the web browse feature is that DeepSeek is able to provide information on recent topics, making it perfect for research tasks. As without the web browse feature, DeepSeek does have a knowledge cut-off date. Also, as it provides sources, it is great for documents where you need to cite your sources. One of the ways to get better responses from DeepSeek or any AI chatbot is by providing a prompt which is clear, concise, and states exactly what you want. It is also important to provide enough context so DeepSeek knows the objective you are trying to achieve. For example, instead of typing, write an essay on AI, it would be better to say, I have a university assignment where I need to write a 1,000-word essay all about AI. Please can you write a 1,000-word essay on the impact of artificial intelligence on modern society, use a formal tone, and provide real-world examples to support your points. This prompt is better as we have provided much more information about what we specifically want, and we have also provided context. A bonus tip is to ask DeepSeek to act like an expert in something before you type your prompt. For example, I'm going to type, act like an expert in artificial intelligence. Now it has come back with a variety of areas within AI which it is able to help with. Going back to the prompt box, we can see a button called DeepThink R1. DeepThink R1 is a feature that enhances DeepSeek's reasoning capabilities. In short, it enables the chatbot to provide more detailed step-by-step explanations, helpful for when you are looking for more in-depth answers for complex topics. To put this to the test, I'm going to ask a question which requires a lot of reasoning. I'm going to ask, a train leaves station A at 60 miles an hour and another leaves station B at 40 miles an hour at the same time. The distance between the two stations is 300 miles. Assuming they are moving directly towards each other, how long will it take for the two trains to meet? Explain your reasoning step by step. This question tests DeepSeek's ability to understand relative speed, perform calculations, and provide a clear logical explanation. As you can see, at the top it has provided the amount of time DeepSeek spent thinking, which was 47 seconds. Then it has provided its full thought process, detailing all the steps it took to get an answer. Finally, it has provided the answer, explaining the main steps it used to get it. If you would like to use DeepSeek on the go, this has been made possible through the use of DeepSeek's app, which is free to install from the Apple App Store or Google Play Store. The mobile app has the same functionality as the web app. Once logged in, the prompt boxes at the bottom of the screen. We can activate DeepSeek R1 and web browse. We also have the option to upload documents. If we swipe right, we can view our chat history. That's all we have for this video on DeepSeek. If you found it helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you in the next video.